Okay guys, so apparently some of you don't know how to add sound and shit to your videos that you make. So I guess now I'm gonna help you guys add sound and stuff. And we'll just go through this a little. I have Hypercam right now, so I'm recording the sound, but this isn't really great for if you're adding music. See? It doesn't come out too well. So other than that, I have Windows Movie Maker and Jagez. It doesn't work so well because the trial ran out, but Movie Maker works just fine. And really, you just have to make sure that you can just download the song and use that, because you just add that to the clip. So I'm gonna just do a little random stuff to show you how to do this. So you see here, get rid of this. You have Windows Movie Maker, it makes everything really easy. Otherwise, you can download Sony Vegas, or just Google it, I guess. But here's what you do. You go here, import media, or whatever you're using. Okay, yeah. Sorry about that, I'm having a little trouble. So, basically you just want to import whatever. Won't work. Okay. This is just me on a different server, don't worry. This is something totally different from runescape. But yeah, that's the video. Now, you go through this, and you add just like whatever song you want. You can go anything. And what you gonna do is just choose a song, like, let's see, choose this. Alright, now you can drag this down, you add it to the clip. This song just happens to be a little longer, so what you can do, you can add transitions and stuff in between the videos, and you can edit the video so that, let's see, you can do like title and credits, which makes everything a lot easier, and it kind of finishes up your project. So this is just a little quick stuff for you guys that really don't know how to do this. And if you want to go anything overboard or just go out and like have some fun with this, go ahead. And this is for my friend Duke fan who just need a little help on how to use it. So it's for you. Let's see the title at the beginning. And you can do I don't know, song, video. Yeah. And this happens to be how it is. I mean, you may not hear it really well right now, but if I want to upload this, this probably can work. And I will upload this video as part of my whole project, just to show you guys. And the video is actually pretty short itself, because I didn't really get to finish, so it's what it is. And this song is pretty long too, it's 5 minutes. So, when you see this, it looks pretty crappy, right? Yeah, so this is just the basic stuff. You can add transitions wherever you want. Just, let's see, you bring this back here. You can add, you got that there. Guess it doesn't want to work there because there's nothing really there to work for. So anyway, we're just gonna put this back here and just look at it. So, Now anything can really work for this. It just happens to be what you want to do, whatever you want to think. It's all just you, and I can just go here when I'm done. Right? I go to publish movie, and this pretty much just compiles it, publishes it, does what you have to do. You can set the coding if you want so that it just works for that. And yeah. So let's see, you can choose for this computer, I guess. And this can be called and yeah, that's it. And you see here you can compress it to whatever. More settings, I can set it to a HD, low, whatever. So I don't really use it at all. You look down there, you can see it's an AVI. That should work on YouTube best. And you don't have to compress it at all. I just publish your movie. This should work. This is for like when you have Windows Movie Maker. It works really well on Vegas too. And if you have Camtasia version 5, I believe, it would work very well on that. So if you're looking there, you see that, and you know that's basically it for what you want to do. And if you have any questions, you want a new video, if you want anything cleaner, you want me to show you a real thing, just hit me up. You know, this is my YouTube account. I'm gonna make a new one and I'll post one, and I'll post it on my page so you know that it is. If you see me on RuneScape or anything, just ask me whatever. My name's 8xPunisherX8. I'll put it on the info, because that's what I'm using. Remember, this is all just to help you guys out. And that's it. So, see if this thing will go any faster. 9 minutes away, I think you want to wait for 9 minutes. So, I'll upload the video when it's done, and that's pretty much it for you. So, yeah. If there's anything else you really want and you really need, just hurry up. And that's it. There.